Hey everybody, today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of my latest Amazon purchase. This is the 30 megapixel 4K trail camera from the company My Animal Command. Okay, so I finally got the plastic taken off. Let's take a look at everything it comes with. Now this isn't my first trail camera that I've used by My Animal Command. They make a 16 megapixel and a 12 megapixel camera, and I've used those both in the past. The best thing about these cameras is that they run on a solar panel that they send you when you buy the camera and solar panel combo. Let's take a look at the solar panel first. Has two threaded ends, one on the back and one on the bottom for you to mount it. The camera will run totally on the solar panel. You don't have to use AA batteries with the camera. Unless you want to, you can totally run it just on the solar panel. Power button down here to show you how well it's charged. You can also change the voltage if you needed to. You can run it on 5, 6, 9, or 12 volts. For the My Animal Command trail cameras, you would just run it on 6 volt, but you can actually use this solar panel with other trail cameras that are on the market. You get a metal mounting bracket. You get a standard USB cable to plug in and charge the solar panel for the first time. You want to get it fully charged, and then once you put it out in the field, the sunlight should hopefully keep it going for you. They give you two different cables here. One of these is going to be to connect the solar panel to the My Animal Command camera, but then they give you another one in the event that you're wanting to use it with a different camera on the market and it needs a different end for the for the digital camera. So that's a quick look at the solar panel. Now let's look at the box and the trail camera. So I mentioned that this company makes a 16 and 12 megapixel. This is the 16 megapixel camera. Maybe we'll take a look at it versus this one. The main difference is this is going to be a 30 megapixel and it does 4K Ultra HD video. The other thing is the IR wavelength in this camera is going to be 850 nanometers versus 940. So it's going to have better night vision, night images and video than the other trail cameras on the market. Quick operating instruction guide, a user manual. The other big difference between the 16 megapixel and this new 30 megapixel is because it's 4K, you can use up to a 256 gigabyte SD card in the camera. With the 12 and the 16 megapixel, you can only use up to a 32 gig. With this one, up to 256 gigabytes. So they give you a cord to connect the camera to your computer so you can retrieve images or do firmware updates. A cloth strap to run through the back of the camera for mounting. And then they give you an additional metal mounting bracket if you want to mount it with a metal mounting bracket. Let's take a look at the camera. So compared to the prior model, about the same size. You'll notice one main difference is the prior model had a PIR sensor here in the middle. This one actually gives you two different options. You can do 60 or 120 degrees of PIR motion detection. If you wanted to put AA batteries in the camera, you'll put them here on the right side. Again, you don't need to. You can run this camera totally with the solar panel that it comes with. Takes a standard size SD card, again up to 256 gigabytes. And then the solar panel connects on the bottom here on the back side of the camera. This would be the threaded port in the event that you're wanting to use the metal mounting bracket. If you want to use the cloth strap, you would just run it through the back of the camera. So that's a quick unboxing video. I hope it helps.